Hi everybody, it's Duncan from McRae's Window Cleaning. It's week 4 of the COVID-19 lockdown for my window cleaning business. And when I say lockdown, we're just meaning restricted. Certainly not as tough as it is in the UK and other places. So how's it going for the last 2 weeks? Back in a moment. So, week 3 and 4 has been very interesting with regard to my window cleaning business and how it's affected by COVID-19. So, firstly, we've been able to have some residential clients come in, which was really nice. Not as many as normal, but still, some of my regular clients went ahead with their bookings, even though they are still a little bit tight financially. They decided they just needed to have some clean glass. So that's really good. Really appreciate their custom. Some of the businesses, the commercial businesses, have just shut shop. So I do some two showrooms for a nationwide chain, and they've shut the whole nation, all of the shops down, and turned it into an online store. So that's 2 large clients that I've lost per month. That's hopefully that'll return. So that's just one of those difficulties. But using the spare time is the tricky thing, because if we're not locked down, if we can leave the house briefly, what can we do? So this is what I've done. I'm just going to tilt the camera here slightly, and you're going to see a coffee machine that I've been working on for the last 2-3 weeks, and that gives me about 2 days a week making coffee, and I'm parked. Let me just move the camera slightly. It's looking out at the waterfront like that. So got an amazing view of in my work office. So today's Saturday. I'm working all morning, and yesterday my boss, who runs this coffee van, she worked as well. It was really busy. A bit quieter today, but it's just great to do something I love, making coffee, making people happy, and to be able to use the time. So we've got some other skills that we're using to be able to make ends meet. Doing something totally different to what we regularly do is something I never imagined I would be getting into coffee when I love window cleaning so much. But probably 6 years ago, maybe even longer, I decided I wanted to upskill, because since coffee was a passion, why not get my barista qualifications? So at that point I was living down near Sydney, Australia, and I went down and spent an all-day course through the Technical and Further Education Department of New South Wales Education, and got my barista qualifications. So I'm back home, and I'd like to just conclude this video by just thinking about the benefits of upskilling, and why at this time now, when we've got a disruption to our regular routine in the business, why trying to upskill would be really useful for the future. I had no idea back in 2014 that doing my barista training, more of as a hobby than anything, was going to be a benefit down the track. And it's been a great supplement to my regular window cleaning business. Now, of course, saying that, I haven't neglected my business. So what have I done with my business? Well, as I mentioned earlier, I still have been doing some clients, residential, some commercial. Some, of course, have closed down or have closed indefinitely. They may be back down the track later in the year. We don't know. But some of my residential clients are still keen to have their windows cleaned. On Thursday, I sent out an email marketing reminder to all of my residential clients, and I sent it out to 90 of them, just to say, hey, McRae's Windows Cleaning, we're still here, we're still operating, we can still accommodate the social distancing and the isolation requirements that the government has in place. Told them about my doing the infection control certification through the government so that they can feel comfortable with that. I talked about how if they only want the external clean done instead of internal and external, or only a portion of the house because maybe that's all they can afford, let's communicate, we can accommodate those requirements. So just letting people know that we haven't shut up shop, we're still there. And I think that's important. So I'll follow up that up in a few weeks, that email, just to make sure that they've got that, and if they've got any questions, certainly we can start a dialogue on those matters. But in conclusion, what have I learned from this experience in the last 2 or 3 weeks? The importance of upskilling. I had no idea when I did this barista training in 2014 that it would be such a benefit today. Now I'm working 3 mornings a week, looking after this van for a friend of mine. You've not seen what kind of location I'm at. Beautiful sunny day, breeze blowing, people loving the coffee and frappes that I'm producing. So that's been a real bonus in addition to my regular window cleaning activity. So I'd like to talk next time in week 5 and 6, what different upskills that we can follow. Some of us are in lockdown, we can't leave home, some of our fellow window cleaners around the world. What can you do to try and upskill? What's the benefits of this time that will help your business in the future? Look forward to chatting with you soon, and in the meantime, just take care. Whatever you do, try and stay calm. Don't get stressed about the situation. Nothing can be improved by stress. Just try and keep calm. Reach out and network with people. Maybe we can use Zoom conferencing, Skype. If you've got FaceTime with friends who are on a similar platform. But by networking that way, at least we can chat and feel like we're in connection with people like-minded around the world. So if any of my fellow window cleaners in other parts of the world would like to do a Zoom conference just to chat and catch up, send me a direct message and we can certainly arrange that. It would be so much fun to be able to talk about that. In the meantime, we look forward to catching up with you next time, and signing off, Duncan from McRae's Window Cleaning in Brisbane. Just take care and we'll see you soon.